Servus and have a fantastic day. You can call me Thompson, and if you're like me and preferring playing your tabletop games in narrow alleys, ruined buildings and tight complex terrain, then I've got something for you today. Open fields are fine, but things only get really excited in tight terrain. That's where the tactical depth really shines. But our movement through terrain often looks stiff and very too linear. I believe that's because of the measuring tools we are using. With a normal tape measure, you either move your miniatures around obstacles in small increments, or you awkwardly bend the tape to make it work. It's rigid, not very elegant, and it breaks the flow of the game. That takes away from the fun. That's exactly why I created the Pathfinder, a flexible measuring chain that lets you move your miniatures quickly and precisely through any terrain, even over obstacles or vertically. You can easily print a Pathfinder at home. It's a simple print and place design. The STL files are available for free via the link in the description. Just make sure to print without support and ignore slicer warnings about floating parts. Or you can grab a pre-printed Pathfinder from my Etsy shop. That link is also down below. Okay, when you first print or receive your Pathfinder, it will be pretty stiff. To loosen it up, here's what you have to do. Hold the last numbered segment in one hand and the link next to it in the other. Gently twist the segments along its axis. Then hold the same link and the next numbered segment and move it up and down. Work your way through the entire chain, one segment at a time. Important, be gentle, don't force anything. And if a link sticks, try twisting it the other way. Once you're done, the Pathfinder will already be more flexible, but still a bit stiff. While time and use, it will become much smoother. Little pro tip here, try rolling it into a ball. That really helps loosening things up faster. And just like that, your Pathfinder will soon be super flexible and help your minis always find the perfect path across the battlefield. If you like the Pathfinder, I'd really appreciate a coffee on Ko-fi. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, have fun pathfinding, and enjoy the rest of your fantastic day.